Good evening, everyone. With Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro later on, I'm Mike Emery. Glad you've joined us for an exciting evening ahead. And tonight we bring you two terrific teams for our contest. Eddie, your thoughts?
I've been looking forward to this one for a while, Doc. Both of these teams have the ability to put the puck in the back of the net. Goaltending, as we know, could be the difference here.
Terrific action lies ahead. HV71's got the puck, and they get to make the first play. Seeks the corner. A shot. Didn't have time, but he saved it anyway.
Not often you're all alone in front of the goaltender from...
HV71's got it. Good work with the stick. Puck's picked up here. Carries it to the corner. Right out of the textbook. HV71's got it and moving up the wing. Good, solid poke check there. Lin Choping's in possession and moving up the wing. Got the iron with the shot. Looking for a better lane. No! Gotta get it on net from there.
Oh, you miss an opportunity like that. You better not be in a hurry to get back to that bench.
God, great glove save.
That slight hesitation by the shooter allowed the goaltender to make a beautiful glove save.
Gustafson's made a textbook stop here. He's in good shape positionally. He makes the save, and he makes it look really easy.
Good face-off win. Side to side they go, trying to generate something. Shot on. Off the goal post. Up the wing skating with it now. Flings it. Great shooting lane. He scores.
People always zero in on the puck, but if you're going to have great puck support, you better have the guys without it that go to the open ice.
The passer recognizes that he's got to get the puck up in the air, but he displays sweet hands as it goes just over the stick and lands flat.
A lot of work.
Great start. They were ready to play, and it shows on the shot clock as well.
By number 84, assisted by number 23.
Pressing on with it up the wing. Play is stopped. There is a signal. We just wanted to see who it is he's taking off. Lin Choping's picked up a double minor, 4 minutes in penalties. play number 1. Let's see if it's power play goal number 1. They win the draw.
Patrick Mullen, a 4-minute double minor for high sticking. Time of the penalty, 8 minutes, 3 seconds.
Gains the zone. Picked up. Stood up there. He's got that pass at the point. Looking from the blue line. Shot. Big point blank save there.
You talk about cutting down the angle. Perfectly executed by the goaltender.
The referee to the table, a player to the box. Linshow picked.
Well, in desperation mode, all he was trying to do was sweep the puck away, but unfortunately caught the player's skates.
Every game presents a fork in the road, and it begins now.
Time of the penalty, 9 minutes, 43 seconds.
He's going to skate it on back now. Good standing poke check. HV71's. He's got this one. He's got to hurry. Loose, but he froze it. Stoppage of play. Beat him on that one. Good use. That was no luck getting through that time. Lets a shot go. Just missed the net.
When the puck sounds hard when it hits the end boards, that means you've missed the net. Scoring chance is handed away.
Muscled to help puck get through. A shot. What a reaction save.
With this puck being reactionary save.
Over 8 minutes remaining here in the period. It's a 1-0 game. Quick work on the faceoff. Linshow pings. Long penalty kill is over. Now let's see if this sparks them.
This can really be frustrating for the coaches and the players on the bench when your power play doesn't...
Save. Freezes play. Clean win on the draw. Linshow pings, carrying it on through center ice. The stick can break up a play, and it just did. Two sticks together, they cancel. He's got him against the glass. Gets in. What'll he do? Terrific glove save. Free puck now. The net was knocked off, and so play is stopped.
Been a long time since this wasn't the...
Nice face-off work. HV71 setting it up as they move through center. Shoots one. Got his stick on it. Right there on the money, the left wing pass. Fires. Strong shooter against a strong goaltender, and the guy with a trapper won.
There's not much behind that. The goalie will make that stick save every day.
Good job on the draw. HV71's carrying it in their own end. A good stick there, so no complete pass. Superb defensive play by Carlson. Around the 20th minute of this period. Linshow pings on the move in neutral ice. Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come. Knifes his way near the boards at center ice. Came from just 6 inches.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area. You got to find a way to put it in the net.
face-off win here. The first frame is done. It's a 1-0 game.
Don't forget, fans, if you're here with somebody celebrating a birthday tonight, go to our guest services booth and you'll see their name up on our big screen before the end of the game.
Anderson's goal has made the difference so far, but is it the winner? Intermission time is here. Second period about to begin here. Let's take a look back at the first. What impressed you most?
HV71's team is still in this game, Doc. They're down by 1 goal, but easily could be a lot more. You hear the term now, puck management. They did not manage the puck at all in that first period.
He caught it and he holds on. Lin Xiaoping's controlling play now and trying to get it going along the boards. Puck settled down by Larson. Shoots one. A great opportunity, but he missed the net.
The goalie can breathe a sigh of relief. The shooter's right in the middle of the ice, and he misses the net.
HV71's lugging it up the wing. Into the end of attack. Good place to shoot.
He's got a nose for the net, and especially scoring goals off the rebound.
Pucks to the net need to be deflected into the corner. Because the goaltender can't do that, the goal scorer is able to pounce on the rebound.
HV71's got the game even up again. Still in the second period. Lots of time. Can't wait to see what happens now.
HV71 goal scored by
Turns around back in his own end to try and get something better. Puck loose. Good defensive play. Oh, what a chance. What a save. Save. Hammers one. No. Gotta get it on net.
You can go a couple of weeks before you get a chance like that. Right in the middle of the ice. Time to shoot it.
Defensive zone win. Good position in the slot. HV71's carrying it in the defensive zone. Hammers his way up the wing at center. Puck's wrist shot.
It's one of those rare games where there's not much scoring, but there's been plenty of chances. The goaltenders have been excellent, and the energy has been high.
Has it picked up. Good quick poke check there. HV71's up the wing settling things. Penalty call coming. Watch for his signal here. Billings has a minor penalty here, and the call is tripping.
This is an easy call for the official, Doc. Player made no attempt to play the puck and just tripped up the attacking player. This power play is too predictable. They have to find a way to change it up.
I sure agree, Eddie. We're expecting that to happen here. Let's see if it does.
time of the penalty, 9 minutes, 7 seconds.
And play is stopped for a penalty. Lin Xiaoping sent to the box for 2 minutes. It's tripping.
I'm going to give credit to the puck carrier here. He kept his legs moving. He forced the back checker to reach in and take him off his feet.
Every game presents a fork-in-the-road opportunity, and this is it. It's a long 5-on-3 power play, and it begins now.
2 minutes for trivia.
Lin Xiaoping's in their own end, carrying it on.
24 seconds.
Gets in. What'll he do? So on this power play, they will resume from their own end of the ice. Great stick save. Loose puck taken by Elliott. HV71's continuing on up the wing. Paddled aside. Lin Xiaoping's leaving its own end. And he regroups. Lin Shoping's penalty-killing unit has come to the fore again, and they are still doing the job. But don't test them too much.
You just can't expect to win games when you take this many penalties game after game. Their penalty killers have been outstanding, but man, they are playing with fire.
HV71's moving it up the wing. Back to the point. Lets it fly. Oh, a close call there.
Right idea, but he just missed the net.
Oh, that was close. Moving well with it along the boards. With a strong wrist shot. Just missed high. HV71's organizing things back in the defensive zone. Knocked it away with the stick. Moves it to the corner. Oh, and the pass wouldn't go. Good centering pass to the slide. Just wide of the post. Up the wing, moving along. Hammered, marvelous save. A great chance was no chance.
Routine stop for the goaltender. The shooter's going to have to do a much better job challenging him.
Quick work on the faceoff. Missed the net.
Sometimes you can be too cute. You're in the middle of the ice. You want to make a perfect shot. He misses the net.
HV71's carrying it in the defensive zone. Go. Great glove save, and he keeps it.
Oh, he thought he had him on the glove side.
Good clean win on the draw. Perfect centering pass. Terrific challenge. Outstanding save.
Not a lot of room to score from in that area. Great save.
We've played 2 periods here of a 3-period game. The best part of the day is coming up.
As a safety issue and courtesy to you, our fellow fans, please keep the aisles clear during gameplay and wait for a break in the action to lead or return to your seat.
.40 minutes have been played period here, so take us back through the game. What do you think, Eddie?
Lin Shoping's done a great job killing off penalties to this point, Doc. They need to tighten up defensively and be more disciplined and not take those unnecessary penalties.
Gets across, looks over his options. Lets it go. Marvelous save. No time on that one. Gets that pass from his goalie through traffic. One score!
He's in the right position. He stops a big chunk of it, but not enough as the puck's in the goal.
Lin Shoping's broken. And that's a face-off win. Gains the blue line. Shoots. Oh, stick save.
By number 53,
Lin Shoping's in their own end and has possession.
7 seconds.
Wrist shot. He got his glove on that one. Skate kick out of the scrum. That. Carried right through at center. Good defensive play, hand to eye and center ice. Lin Shoping's carrying on along the boards. Lets it go. Outstanding save. What magic to even get the shot away.
A quick developing play right in front. Almost looks like he's too close to the goaltender.
And here's Ray.
HV71's got to get back on the practice ice because they've had so many chances to score. They haven't had any.
For the game ends. Over 5 minutes have transpired here in the third. We had a tie game until just moments ago. It's a 1-goal contest. He's got that pass off the right wing and can move ahead. Puck is thrown to Berglund. Great stick work prevents the pass from being complete. HV71 starting back in their own end. Right on his stick from the left wing. Nice job, straight stand-up poke check. Got it in his own end. Lin Choping's carrying on at center ice. Loose puck, solid defensive play there. Save! Held there for a face-off coming up next.
I don't know if he's going to make a save much easier than that one. He's in good position. It's a rather routine stop.
Solid, clean win. It's on his stick up that left side. Lin Choping setting things up in the defensive zone. Decides to go back and see if his goalie's got any better ideas. That puck's loose. Good defense. Puck control. Wonderful save. It didn't look like he had a thing to shoot at.
Terrific stuff.
Got it all.
Oh, if you're a shooter, you don't want to see the goaltender flash his glove like that.
And yet again, here is Ray Ferraro.
Gustafson's been a major factor in the way this game has played out. He was exceptional, in particular early in the game as his team struggled. I can watch these all night. What a great performance.
No, you're right, Ray. Eddie and I agree. It's just another one in a long line of tremendous performances by him. Over 8 minutes remaining. We had a tie game until just moments ago. It's a one-goal contest. HV71's carrying it through center. And they've got it again. Didn't like what he saw, so he'll turn back now. Nicely done with the interception.
This game is going to wind down and be close right to the final horn. Each team has tried to enforce their style of play on the end.
The glove like lightning. Has it in his own end. HV71's on the move, hoping to wheel it up the wing. That one's right on his stick from the right side. Back in his defensive end to get it. A huge moment in the game. Could it swing on this penalty? Lin Choping's minor penalty is for slashing.
He's making like Paul Bunyan out there. That's a 2-minute slash.
Oftentimes, it's not your percentage on the power play, but when you do get the case right here, this time. He's got this one, and they're after him. Stop!
He had that look of no doubt he was going to score on that breakaway.
I don't know what he's going to do with that one, Edzo. That thing is delivered to perfection.
They've got the draw. He gains the zone. And at an angle to Elliott. Shoots one. Great take, dangerous area. Wonderful wrist shot. Hanging on to it up the wing. Possession established on the pickup by Elliott. Pressing on with it in their own end. Gets in, looks over his options here. HV71's power play has failed. They are perfect in an odd way.
You're going to get punched in the gut here eventually if you keep taking penalty after penalty. Your killers are just hanging on by a thread. They're starting to get exhausted as they keep going back onto the ice.
The poke check worked. And he steps across the line. Goalie pull. Oh, terrific save on a great. Picks it up in his own end. Onside. Oh, broke it up. Picks it up back there. Good shooting place. Great save. Good pass up that left wing, and he's got it. Puck collected by Larson. Sent back out, so finally they can get the change they were looking for. The buzzer sounds. Lin Shoping's been able to win this one, but they didn't do it in the normal way.
When you think of specialty team goals, you think of the power play. Not when you're shorthanded, and they got some tonight.
That's it for another great night at a hockey rink. For Eddie and Ray, Doc saying good evening, everyone.